In today's video, I will walk you through how to add a password to your Shopify store. Start from your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation panel with several options available. Locate Online Store and click on it. After selecting Online Store, a drop-down menu will appear with additional options. From this menu, click on Preferences. This will take you to the Preferences page, where you can manage several settings related to your store. Once you're on the Preferences page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Password Protection. This is the area where you'll manage access to your store. Within the Password Protection section, you'll see an option that allows you to enable password protection. Click to enable this setting. After enabling password protection, additional fields will appear on the screen. These fields allow you to create a password and add a message that visitors will see when they arrive at your store. Locate the password field and enter the password you would like to use. This password will be required for anyone attempting to access your store while password protection is enabled. Take your time entering the password and make sure it is exactly how you want it to appear. Double-check the entry before moving on to the next section. Next, find the message field. In this area, enter the message you would like visitors to see on the password page. This message will be displayed whenever someone visits your store and encounters the password screen. Review the message and make any adjustments needed until it appears the way you want. Once you're satisfied with both the password and the message, review the entire password protection section one final time. Confirm that password protection is enabled, verify that the password is entered correctly, and make sure the visitor message is accurate. After reviewing everything, save your changes so the settings can be applied to your store. Once the changes have been saved, your Shopify store will be protected by the password you created. Visitors will need to enter that password before they can access your storefront. If you ever want to make changes, you can return to the Preferences page and update the password or message at any time. You can also return to the same section whenever you're ready to disable password protection. That's all there is to it. Open Online Store, go to Preferences, scroll to Password Protection, enable the setting, enter your password, add your message, review your details, and save your changes. Your Shopify store is now protected with a password. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.